Viscosity grade bitumen in India has undergone a significant shift from penetration grade to VG system, offering enhanced reliability and versatility. VG bitumen, including VG10, VG20, VG30, and VG40, caters to various temperature conditions, making it a preferred choice for road construction. The VG classification is based on viscosity values at 60 degrees Celsius and 135 degrees Celsius, ensuring predictability in different thermal environments. With VG10 being the softest grade suitable for cold climates, VG bitumen offers superior water impermeability and adhesion properties. Transitioning from penetration to viscosity grading has streamlined testing processes, saving time and costs. VG bitumen's durability and performance make it ideal for high-traffic areas, ensuring consistent rutting performance. Embrace the reliability and efficiency of VG bitumen for your next construction project.